Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make crispy masala peanuts. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Take 250 grams of roasted peanuts in a mixing bowl and add 8 tablespoons of gram flour, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 pinch of asafoetida powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Saunf or fennel seeds powder, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped curry leaves, 1½ teaspoons of red chilli powder, and a little salt. Mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons of hot oil and mix it carefully. Sprinkle 5 tablespoons of water little by little and mix it to ensure that the flour and masala is well coated on the peanuts. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Heat oil in a pan over medium flame. When the oil is hot, reduce the flame. Take a handful of peanuts and drop it carefully into the oil one by one. Now increase the flame to medium mode. Stir occasionally. When it turns golden brown, reduce the flame and take it out. Keep it on a tissue paper to drain the excess oil. Garnish with some fried curry leaves and serve it. Please try it out and post your feedback.